Welcome back, guys. We're going to be looking at how to withdraw money from your KuCoin account to your Pocket Option account. Okay, so when you go to your Pocket Option account, you click on that icon at the top, as you can see. Then you scroll down a bit, and locate Theta USDT TROC20. The minimum deposit is $10. You click on it. Then you type in the amount. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm using $10, and I have a promo code. I will just paste it. The promo code will give me 50% bonus, which is $5, making it a total of $15. You click on continue and pay $10. Then I will copy the address, the USDT address, go back to KuCoin and click on the withdraw button. Click on skip. Then I'll click on USDT. Then over here I will paste the wallet address I copied from Pocket Option. Then automatically the network reflects, which is TROC20. Immediately you pasted the wallet address, the network will reflect. Then I will now type in the amount I want to withdraw. Remember, I want to withdraw $10, and KuCoin charges 1.5 USDT as fee, as withdrawal fee. So I wouldn't want to type $10 because when I did it was giving me 8.5 after the fee was deducted. The fee is 1.5 USDT. Okay, so I will rather type in 11.5. So when I did, I got the $10 I needed. Okay, so next is to click on withdraw, the withdraw button. Click on confirm. Verification code sent. Withdrawal initiated. Okay, so it says it's processing, approximately 2 minutes. So I'll go back to Pocket Option. Pocket Option says approximately 10 minutes processing time. So I want to refresh a page, my Pocket Option page. Let me refresh and see if it will show up. As you can see at the top, it is showing $15. All right. The withdrawal I did from KuCoin to Pocket Option has reflected. So this is how you make your withdrawals